at games, a nice sad ukulele song, heartbreaking ukulele song, you only need these 3 chords. And in this tutorial, I'm going to give you a quick little trick, making it from the G to the D chord that you might not be aware of. I'm going to give you a nice sad strumming pattern to put with the song. And then I've got a special treat for you in this tutorial because my neighbor, Yvonne Payne, rock and roll diva, singer for a rock and roll band, came over and we're going to break it down and show you how you can put this song with others. So let's put a really sad strumming pattern with this song. Let's do the island strum. I'm not joking. I'm not, seriously. Well, the island strum or calypso strum looks like this. The down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. If you're not familiar with the island strum, this will help you a lot. This is a great video on breaking down the island strum and how to get you up and running with it. Okay, so to make it sound a little bit more sad, use your thumb on that first down strum and let each string ring out. All the time, but particularly the first time you hit each one of those chords, when you come into it, just all you're doing is using your thumb, and your stroke is just a little bit slower than your other strokes. It's all a matter of timing. You have to keep the beat going at a regular tempo, and that's why I've got the play along for you. So make sure that you're keeping the tempo going by challenging yourself and doing the play along. So have fun with doing a sad island strum. Mr. Ukulele Fool taught me this trick, and he learned it from Pete McCarty. Hi, Pete, down in Memphis. And he learned it in a workshop they did at the Brown County Ukulele Festival in Brown County, Indiana. So instead of doing your D the traditional way, where you're putting all 3 fingers in the 2nd fret and you're doing it in kind of a sequential order, index, middle, ring. Particularly when you're coming from that G, your index finger is already on the C string. So why not move your fingers over like this? Now I know it looks kind of like a twisted mess, but think of your G7, how you arrange your fingers for a G7 with your index finger up top and then these down below. Well, think of approaching this kind of like a G7 chord, except for all fingers are in the same fret. So when you're going from your G, you move these over. Yeah. So have you ever tried that before? I never had, and it makes perfect sense. I'm not sure that I would do it that way every time, and I'm perfectly comfortable doing it this way, but what a great trick for getting from that G to D without moving one of your fingers. Economy of motion, it works. Help spread the ukulele love. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, and leave me a comment. Say hello. Let me know where you started your ukulele journey, and had you ever encountered a D fingered like that before? Those are all things you can tell me in the comments, and I'll respond to them. So I also have links to the chord charts down below. And to get them, you need to be part of our Patreon community. And I give great rewards to my patrons, but you're also then working together with other ukulele players to get instruction and ukuleles into communities of need, like libraries, particularly libraries in areas where there might not be much music instruction, where the schools don't teach it, things like that. I've given ukuleles to music therapy programs, adult music therapy programs. So help spread the ukulele love, become a patron, get the chord charts. Hey, and join us. Coming up next, Yvonne and I divvied up the parts in this song and made it, just a little bit different than singing it all by yourself. Of course, did you ever want to be a backup singer? I did. And so the chorus lends itself perfectly for people that want to do that kind of like backup singing part. So you go, no heart, don't wanna fall in love. This girl is only gonna break your heart. Well, that this girl is only gonna break your heart. That can be another person, like I do it in the play along, or if you've got a uke jam, divide it up. And some of you were doing that backup part. Just as a suggestion, we also split up the verses and how we sang them. So it looks like this. So you can see the first 2 lines, they're color-coded, and that was what Yvonne sang, and then I sang the next 2 lines. But then, when we got to the other verse, we varied it up, and we each took a turn singing 1 line of the verse. So I've got that color-coded in the chord chart, just, as a suggestion. No, you don't have to do that. And you can do it, break it up any way you like, or don't break it up at all. It's totally up to you. Make it your cover song. Join us for the play-along. Hi, here she is. This is my neighbor, Yvonne Payne.
Hi, Lisa.
She sings with a band. I've heard them play. They're hard rocking. She's their lead singer. It's Fast Forward.
Fast Forward, that's right.
Louisville, Kentucky. So I'm so glad she walked over to my house to do this.
Thank you for inviting me.
You are so welcome. So we're going to show you how you can kind of play off of each other on this, either as a duet or a jam setting. 1, 2, 1, 2, and here we go.
World was on fire, no one could save me but you. Strange what desire will make foolish people do. And I never dreamed that I'd meet somebody like you. And I never dreamed that I'd love somebody like you. No, I don't wanna fall in love. This girl is gonna break your heart. No, I don't wanna fall in love. This girl is gonna break your heart with you. This girl is only gonna break your heart. What a wicked game you played to make me feel this way. What a wicked thing to do, to let me dream of you. What a wicked thing to say, you never felt this way. What a wicked thing to do, to make me dream of you. Why don't wanna fall in love? This girl is only gonna break your heart. No, I